Kulomkhankaso wevuma uhulumeni ubambisene nabaholi bendabuko, abezenkolo, inyunyana zezisebenzi kanye nabamabhizinisi. Uzokwenza kuvulwe izikhungo zokugoma kuzwelonke njalo ngempelasonto.
We want to hit a billion lapha ekuruleni. We want to hit a million.
Ngawo kuhloswe ukugoma abantu abayizigidi ezili-17 ngaphambi kokuphela kwalonyaka.
Kungenzeka nangaba sivaksinanga siqhubeke sithelelane ene imindeni yethu ishone ene kubalulekile futhi ukupartnera no government ngoba izwi lenkosi lithi sihlale sibakhulekela njalo ukuze babuse kahle.
Masivela thina singamakhosi sikhuluma sibonisa ingozi yokungavaccinate ukuthi ingakanani nobunzima obuzoba khona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu bazezwa. Ingakho ke umsebenzi wethu sifuna ukusupporta uhulumeni wethu ukuthi konke akwenzayo konke ama drive awenzayo sibe khona sizokhuthaza ukuthi abantu mabavaccinate.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi isinqumo sokwehlisela lelizwe esigabeni sokuqala se-lockdown sithathwe ngenxa yezeluleko zesayensi wakuchithwa nokugxekwa ukuthi bekuseve ukuthathwa kwaso. INingizimu Afrika isalelwe inyanga ngaphambi kokhetho lohulumeni beyindawo.
I totally reject the nexus that is trying to be created between vaccinations and elections. I'm here today as the President of the Republic. Minister Motsoaledi is here and the Mayor is also here. We're here as government officials, drumming up support for vaccination. This has been in the making for quite a while, this type of drive, and it's largely because the vaccination numbers have been going down and we need to ramp them up.
Ngaphansi kwesigaba sokuqala abantu abangama-700 bavunyelwe ukuhlangana endaweni evalelekile ngaphakathi kuthi endaweni engaphandle kuvunyelwa abantu abafinyelela 2,000. Imingcwabo yona isivunyelwe kuba nabantu abali-100.